Steve, I've got one word for you, and it goes promotion. Congratulations. I can see you're emotional.
Absolutely. You know, all the hard work over the last year has been worth it. You know, I don't think we're at our best today. You've got to give Britain Ferry a lot of credit. I think they you know, we rode our luck a lot, and Dell, to be fair, you know, has kept us in the game with all them saves there. But the scenes at the end there is what it's all about. That's why we do it.
The last couple of minutes, though, Steve, they were unbearable for you, weren't they?
Absolutely, yeah. It's not nice for the old blood pressure, but, you know, you've got to give the girls credit. They've dug in, but got to say, a lot of credit has got to go to the goalkeeper. She's made some unbelievable saves towards the end, for, you know, and it's a lot of character that the girls have shown to dig in and get the win and get us over the line.
How proud are you? Some of the girls are coming over to us now. I mean, you can just see the absolute delight on their faces. What does it mean to go home and know that you're promoted now?
It's, like I said before, it's everything we've worked towards, you know, and you can hear it in the stands, you know. Everyone that's got behind us, it means everything, you know. We've believed in ourselves over the year, and we think that we're capable of doing it. So, you know, the hard work starts now.
Well, you've put the gauntlet down to the men for next week now, haven't you?
Absolutely. Over to you now, Phil. So, yeah, all the best, lads.
Enjoy the celebrations. Thanks so much.